Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. What are we starting with today? A few interesting words. A caboose is the end of a train, isn't it? What on earth does that have to do with anything else? Shoe fly. I only know that from... obviously it's what you say to a fly, but there's also the song Shoe Fly Don't Bother Me. But again, literally no idea how that's going to link to anything else. Love, advantage, deuce, and 40. They're all tennis scores, aren't they? Let's get that out the way. What next? That's got a silent L. It also sounds like kernel, as in a popcorn kernel, Kernel. The fact that it's next to pecan, as in a pecan nuts, makes me wonder if there's something along those lines, but I'm not sure a pecan nut and a kernel with the K spelling are really that connected. And one of them is a homophone anyway. What else? I feel like these three go together. I just can't quite work out why. They feel like they're measures at like Nando's or something. You can have... it's lemon and herb, isn't it? Not lemon and honey. I was wondering if the layers of spiciness then went up from that to yellow to hot, but clearly not. It's medium rather than yellow anyway. What else? Pumpkin seed? A peach has a seed. Okay. that hasn't gone anywhere. What does chess have? It has a pawn. It has rook. Bishops. A bishop's there. Does a kernel also have bishops? Is that what they're connected by? That's not a group of 4 anyway. It's got a queen, it's got a king, it's got some knights. I don't really see how that is connected to anything else. Huh. I'm struggling here because I can't even link... I can barely link 2 things together, let alone 3 or 4. Peach comes in a can, or it can come in a can. Pecan pie, peach pie, pecan pie, pumpkin pie. It could just be honey and peach, because you could make a honey cake. To be fair, it could be these 4 just because they're the only edible ones. There's probably something else that links them, but maybe it's worth a try because I haven't thought of anything else. It's not even 1 away. Oh dear. Okay, is there any word-related ones? That's got a hoof in it. That is part of a horse. It also ends in fly. It's not leading anywhere either. Oh dear. I've got no idea what's going on with any of these groups. In case that wasn't obvious. That starts with colon. Again, there's none of the others that start or end with anything, really. Moon... moonshine... moonlight... moonrise... moonset... I've got no idea. I might just have to start guessing. I said these 3 go together earlier, so let's consider that line of thought again. Honeysuckle is a flower. Yellow... oh, I really don't know. I've got no idea what is going on. We're going to have to guess, but I can't even work out what is a sensible thing to guess. Oh, a pump and a shoe? Those could go together? A yell, a peak, a cab, a kern? I'm just trying to work out the first syllables of some of these things. I don't think this is a group, but I've got to go for something. It's not even one away. Oh dear. I think this is going to be a failure. Let's try these four. That is one away. Okay, so maybe it is honey, hot, and yellow for some reason. What links 3 out of these 4 then? Honey, hot, yellow, and pecan. I don't know. No. Okay. What is a chess pie? Right, what was going on here? Chess pie, pecan pie, pumpkin fly, and shoe fly pie? What? I said pecan pie and pumpkin pie. Literally never heard of chess pie or shoe fly pie. How bizarre. I can only assume that they are just Americanisms that I've just never heard of. Then things associated with butts. Okay, I said caboose. I guess I've heard of can, moon, and peach in that context, so that was gettable, I guess. But I don't know about can, actually. Don't Americans call the can the toilet? Or the bathroom? So is that really associated with butts? That's a weird one as well, I suppose. I mean, Colonel Mustard, Honey Mustard, Hot Mustard, and Yellow Mustard. I was right that Honey, Hot, and Yellow went together. I just clearly didn't know why, and so I had no chance of getting Colonel. Hot Mustard, Yellow Mustard. I mean, I suppose maybe I've heard of those, but I'm not a fan of mustard. If I'd had something like English mustard or French mustard, then maybe I'd have had half a chance of getting it. Anyway, that is the solution. That was a super tricky one. I only got one group. My worst performance for a while. But I do think that was, yeah, very out of my knowledge base. So I'm not going to beat myself up about that. Let me know if you struggled as much as I did, or if you did the same, or even better. Well done if you did. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.